Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences using the platform. Zenfolio offers a comprehensive platform specifically designed for photographers to showcase and sell their work. It provides a streamlined workflow from image uploading and organization to client proofing and e-commerce integration. Users can create customizable websites with a variety of templates, allowing them to tailor their online presence to their brand. Zenfolio's pricing plans cater to different needs, from hobbyists to professionals. Features include online galleries, print fulfillment services, and integrated marketing tools. Photographers can control pricing and offer a range of print products directly to their clients. The platform also facilitates secure client proofing and delivery of digital files. Beyond the basics, Zenfolio offers advanced features like custom domains, SEO optimization tools, and integrated blogging capabilities. This empowers photographers to build a strong online presence and reach a wider audience. The platform prioritizes image quality and provides options for high-resolution downloads and prints. Zenfolio aims to simplify the business side of photography, allowing photographers to focus on their craft. It handles the complexities of online sales, printing, and client management, freeing up valuable time. With its user-friendly interface and robust feature set, Zenfolio presents a compelling option for photographers looking for an all-in-one platform. While it may not be suitable for every photographer, the platform's comprehensive features and focus on client interaction make it a valuable tool for many. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, exploring Zenfolio's capabilities could significantly benefit your photography business. Remember to check out the links in the description for more information and to explore the platform yourself.